Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and practical tutorial on Figma. Today, we're diving into something that's a game changer for your text formatting: how to add Superscript in Figma for 2025. Whether you're working on scientific documents, mathematical equations, or just sprucing up footnotes, Superscript can make your designs look polished and professional. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. First off, let's quickly recap what Figma is. It's a powerful collaborative design tool that's free to use and perfect for UI/UX work. Now, Superscript might not be a built-in button like in some word processors, but don't worry. Figma has some clever workarounds that we'll cover step by step. Step 1. Open your Figma project and select the text layer where you want to apply Superscript. Make sure you're in the design mode, that's the canvas view. Step 2. Double-click on the text to enter editing mode. Highlight the specific characters you want to turn into Superscript, like a number in a footnote. Step 3. In the right-hand Properties panel, look for the text options. Figma doesn't have a direct Superscript button yet, but you can use the Advanced settings or a plugin. Head to the Figma community plugins and search for Superscript or Text Formatter. Install one like Typograph if needed. It's super easy and free. Once installed, select your text and use the plugin to apply Superscript. Alternatively, for a manual approach, adjust the baseline shift in the text properties. Increase the baseline to raise the text slightly and reduce the font size for that Superscript effect. A quick tip: always preview your design on different devices to ensure the Superscript looks consistent. Common mistakes include forgetting to group your text elements, which can mess up formatting, so double-check that. There you have it. Superscript in Figma made simple. This technique will save you time and elevate your designs. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your Figma questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.